guys, Carrie from Carrie Buys Houses, and welcome to our series on small business social media mastery. We have brought Brooke in from Blazing Bee Media. We're going to be doing a series of 6 videos talking about how to use social media in your small business. So today we're going to be talking about Facebook. So question number 1, Brooke, is what is Facebook?
So Facebook is one of the #1 social media platforms currently, and it's a social media platform that's used, it was originally designed just to connect with friends and family, but now it's actually being used a lot by businesses who are making pages that people can like and follow. Groups are using it where they can make private groups and people can network. So it's one of the most versatile social media platforms right now. I personally use it for both business and my personal life.
Yeah.
I have my long-distance relatives, but I also use it to manage my own business.
Right. So why is Facebook important for small businesses like myself?
Facebook is super important for small businesses because Facebook, one, it targets locally. So if someone's searching for a certain thing, it's going to show you guys if you're closer to that person's location. And 2, it's great because you can make pages and anyone can follow those pages and keep up to date with you. It's harder to follow a website because you have to keep going onto the website, looking at it. The Facebook page, it's very low effort. You just, you like it, you follow it, and then it shows up in your stream and it's all great. So Facebook is great for businesses because they can reach broader audiences that they wouldn't have previously connected with, and it's free. It's a free tool.
And we like free stuff here. So what's the difference between groups and pages?
So groups are more private. With a Facebook page, anyone can like a Facebook page, anyone can follow a Facebook page. You can get banned from Facebook pages, but initially anyone can like and follow them. So most businesses use pages because they want to reach as many people as possible, engage with as many people as possible. Groups are more private. Groups are for networking or for their people. They're kind of like an alternative to Meetup.com. They were like the thing that happened before Meetup.com was a thing. And so people will use groups if they just want to have, 25 people who are focused on this specific topic and they don't want anyone else talking about it.
Okay, got it. So what's the best way to get more Facebook fans?
So the best way to do it organically is you are going to want to post content that is of value and you're going to want to post it consistently. But you don't want to post too often.
Right, you don't want to be the overposter.
You don't want to be the overposter because then people are going to, they might like your page, but they'll unfollow it. So then they're not even seeing any of your stuff. Or they can just unlike it entirely. They can even report you for spam if you keep posting 8 times a day.
Right, I'm sure you guys out there know some people on your Facebook page that just post constantly and it drives you crazy. So you don't want to be one of those.
Yeah, and you might even go and block them because you don't want to see it.
There's a way to do that.
And so with Facebook pages, you usually want to post like 3 times a week. At most, you could post once a day. It depends on your business. With a service-based business, you usually want to post 3 times a week. With a business where you don't have a website and the Facebook is your website, like a nightclub or a restaurant, you could post every day if you're just posting your specials.
Sure.
That's not going to bother anybody. But you also want to make sure the content is of value. That's super important. If you post every day, don't post the same thing every day. Post something of value every day. It doesn't even have to be your own content. You can curate content where you go to a similar Facebook page and you share one of their articles or posts. It's a win-win because then you're getting curated content and they're also getting exposure and credit from the other people. Okay,
excellent point. So how often should you post on Facebook? Talking about posting. Yeah, just talked about that, but I mean, really, how often should you post?
It really does depend on your business. For ours, we only post 3 times a week because it's service-based, but you can post up to once a day. Please don't post more than twice a day, 3 times a day. Don't do it. You're gonna see people blocking you.
Don't be the overposter.
No one likes that person. And you're gonna get blocked. There are gonna be penalties. People are gonna report your page as a spam page, and then Facebook's gonna take it off of its listing so no one can find it in the first place. So if you're really ambitious and you're really gung-ho, because consistency is once again key, you can post every day, but you better be willing to post every day.
Right, and good content.
Yes.
Good content.
And this is an important note. When you post, engage with your consumers. There's a lot of businesses that are like, how's everyone feeling today? And everyone comments and they don't respond. It's just crickets. And that's not really useful in building up trust with your post because then people you're like, oh, well, this business doesn't really care. They probably have these posts automated because there's a lot of softwares you can automate posts through. So you need to engage with your people. posts.
Okay, cool. Well, that's it for today, guys. This is just a general overview on Facebook. So we're going to do a deep dive on all things social media, including Facebook, at our next free meetup, where we'll have Brooke as our guest speaker. Our free meetups are every second Monday of each month. You can go ahead and sign up on the meetup.com link that's provided in the description. Come on out physically, or we do live stream the meetup, so you can go to our Facebook page, Real Estate Riches Club, go ahead and follow us, like us. You get access to all the previous live streams as well as the current one where you can watch it live. But in order to receive our super cool prizes, because we do give prizes away at our meetup, you do have to be there physically. So please come on out, share it with your friends and family. We love to see you there. And we'll see you on the next video where we talk about YouTube. So thanks so much, Brooke, and we will see you guys on the next video.